Cruising at 70 to 80 miles an hour. Temperature is exactly on the halfway mark, as you can see. Temperature's holding beautifully. And this thing has a lot of power. Slowing down out because of these trucks here. You can see the temperature holding steady right in the middle. I've been driving for about an hour and a half. I'm going to Long Beach. I'm going to move over into the left lane now. Accelerate. Car's steady, hands off the wheel, stays firm. Wheel alignment is perfect. Accelerate into this lane.